Ano nangyari? You have a chief PNP na 3 ranggo ang tinalunan para maging chief PNP. It's because this is not merit-based promotion. Pabor-pabor-based promotion. Diba?
Rewind lang ng konti sa termino naman ng tatay niya kung sino unang chief PNP. Okay? So, anong ranggo ng unang chief PNP at anong ranggo ko bago ako naging chief PNP. So, it really goes back to him, really. Seriously speaking, it goes back to him. Okay? The first chief PNP of his father is a 1-star na naging automatic 4-star. Did he ask that? Did he question that? So,
Salamat, General.
thank you.